provide this venue today, they were all attempts to ensure that even these prayers don't take place, to pray for the affected families. We are here today also with the first governor of Murang'a, His Excellency Wairia, who is also the party leader of Usawa Party. We want to thank you, Governor Wairia, for standing in solidarity in the struggle. It has not been easy. We are here also with the chair of the National Executive Council of Azimio, the first governor of Kakamega County and the chair of COG, my brother Wycliffe Ambetsa Oparanya. You have been steady. Besides Baba, we want to appreciate your role and your efforts, my brother Wycliffe Ambetsa Oparanya. The SG of Jubilee, my brother Jeremiah Kioni, Wamasufuria. You have struggled. Wamasufuria, you have fought for Jubilee, and we are still saying this. Jubilee is Azimio and Azimio is Jubilee. We will never give in to what they are trying to do to dismember our parties. We want to thank also the coup. Leader is here, my brother. Pongezi kwa kuwa hapa na viongozi wetu bungeni, mmepambana vilivyo, na tuseme asanteni nyote kwa kuja. And for those who are celebrating the good work of the police, today we have shown the world what the police have done in the last few weeks and few days. This is not something to be celebrated. We brought a new constitution so that we stop the police force and turn it into a police service. Under Article 244 of our constitution, the police are supposed to be a service. They are supposed to look after the people, not to terrorize the people of Kenya. And they are supposed to do so in a way that respects human rights under Article 244. The police do not have a free license to shoot and kill. Under Section 61 of the National Police Service Act, there are only instances when the police are threatened and have to defend themselves or save lives. That is when they are supposed to use their guns. All those killed, you have seen their pictures. These are not statistics. These are people, many of them young people. My brother, Professor Wajakoya, could have been here with us, but today as we speak, he is receiving the body of a young man, Meshach Shireka, one of the 30 people, the names you have seen here today. Professor Wajakoya is in Kakamega receiving that body, and tomorrow we'll be joining him for that burial.